upon us, we thought it would be a good idea to show you what the Canzonettas do for their holiday cocktail parties.
I know, and look who's up with us.
Hi,
Melissa. Hey, baby.
Mark's right over here too.
I know. Hey, Mike.
Good to see you.
Lauren. How are
Thanks
you?
for having a cocktail party.
Yeah,
for us.
One of my favorite things to do in the holidays.
All right, and so we're going to do the food, and you guys are going to do the drinks, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we can handle that. She's very good at what she does.
All right, so we asked Mark what his go-to meal or appetizer for a cocktail party.
Well, you know what, for me, and you want to impress your friends, it's the holidays. We live a little bit better at the holidays, where we smile a lot more. We want to treat our friends, so I'm thinking crab cake.
Spend a little bit more too,
Spend a little bit more money, a little bit more luxurious ingredients that you don't use necessarily the other time of the year. So we're going to make a crab cake.
All right, let's go over here. You want to go?
Yeah, you guys go over there. Mike and I are going to make a crab cake. So we're going to start with an egg. We're going to have a pound of special crab, which is this is the crab that they pull out of the body, and this is the lump kernel crab, the jumbo lump. We want a little bit of each, okay? So they both have different flavors, different textures. So it's a pound of each. We're going to start with 2 eggs. And we're gonna have a little bit of binder, so we're gonna have a little bit of heavy mayonnaise. Use your favorite mayonnaise, you know, the brand that you've been using your whole life. You know, you can find the recipe on the website. We're gonna have some chives in here. We're gonna season it with fresh ground pepper, a little bit of salt. I have to have a little bit of hot sauce in my crab cake.
Right.
Just a little bit, make it a little bit more exciting. So use your favorite hot sauce, a couple dabs.
I don't care about the guests that much.
Exactly. We are going to juice and zest the lemon, because the zest of the lemon has twice as much flavor as the juice. So we're going to do a little bit of each. So we're going to take 1 lemon and juice it.
Now I'm going to ask you a question here in a second.
Go ahead.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I don't see the Old Bay seasoning.
We're not doing that style.
Okay
We're not doing a Baltimore crab cake.
All right.
We're doing a Mark Canzonetta crab cake.
This is a Warren crab cake.
This is a Warren crab cake. So we're going to mix this all together now. And we're just going to combine that egg and the mayonnaise and make everything happy. Now we're going to take our crab. Look at all that crab.
What kind was that again?
That is the special crab.
Special crab.
And this is the jumbo lump. Look at that beautiful jumbo lump crab right there. Okay?
A little bit
You know, what I hate about when you go out for a crab cake, everybody muddles it up with vegetables and a lot of bread.
Too much bread.
Exactly.
Right.
We're just going to a little bit. I'm using panko breadcrumbs, and I'm only going to use about 1/4 cup per can of crab, per pound of crab. And now we're going to mix this together. And you want to mix it gently, because you want your guests to see that you spent that extra money on those jumbo lump kernels of crab. So you just want to just gently fold that all together. And we're not going to saute these. We're not going to fry these. We're going to bake these.
Okay.
Okay? So, Mike, do you like a big crab cake or a small crab?
I like a big crab cake.
So we're going to give like a 3-ounce crab cake.
It's a pretty good size.
It's about 1/2 cup crab cake.
Okay.
So we just once it comes together,
So can you tell just by looking at this how many crab cakes you can make?
Oh yeah. Well, I can do the math in my head.
That's what I'm saying. Is it like 6?
So you're going to get about 6 to a pound.
Okay.
You're going to get about 6 to a pound of crab. So we're just going to take these. We're going to put them on a non-stick baking sheet or a Silpat sheet, whatever you have.
Look how good those look already.
See all those jumbo beautiful lumps of crab you have in there?
And the crab's already cooked, so it's not going to take
It's
super long
gorgeous.
to do, right?
So we're going to take that, and now we're going to put these in a 375-degree oven for about 12 minutes.
All right, they're going in, and when he pops back up, we're going to make this topping to it.
It's called chive aioli.
Chive aioli.
We're going to make a chive aioli, really simple again. So you're going to get a mixing bowl. We're going to take some of that heavy mayonnaise. Now, if you want to make it from scratch, you can make that mayonnaise dressing from scratch. And do that. Add some chives, fresh chopped chives. Again with the lemon juice.
So it's very similar to the mixture.
Very similar. But this is going to shine through a lot more. So put your lemon juice in. Another dash of hot sauce. A little bit of salt. Fresh ground pepper. And we're just going to mix that together.
We're good to go.
And we're good to go. How easy is that?
All right, let's take a break. When we come back, we'll pop these out of the oven, we'll rejoin the wife, and figure out what kind of drink we're going to make.
Absolutely.
All right,
Sounds great.
Be right back.
Well, while the guys are making some crab cakes, Melissa Canzonetta and I, what are we going to do, Melissa? What are you
We're
going to
going to make a party mule, but it's going to be cherry for the holidays.
And a giant one at that.
Yes.
So it's a good thing we've got some friends over today. All right, tell me where we start. What do we do?
Okay, I fill this with ice. I'm going to put a little bit more out of the sleigh.
Just let me know if you need my help. There we go. Tons of ice.
Okay, first you start with vodka, about 8 ounces.
Okay. 8 ounces of vodka.
Because it's a
giant
party
one.
mule.
This isn't just for one person. We have other people that want to drink this. I think Michael's gonna line up first.
So we better go 9 then.
You go 9. Go big or go home is what we always say, right? Okay.
And then I fresh squeeze this lime ahead of time. You have to have fresh lime.
Okay. So how much of that? That looks like a big
4 ounces.
Yeah. For this one? All right.
And then Bistro 1907's homemade ginger syrup. That's what sets us apart, actually.
Okay, that's the secret right there. Mm-hmm. Michael, are you taking notes?
Yes.
So, okay, good.
I'm gonna do about 3 ounces because of the huge glass again.
Okay.
And since I can't shake this, I'm just gonna actually use a bar spoon to stir.
Sounds good. Sounds cold.
Okay, so this is
This is it?
cherry ginger beer.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is I've never even heard of this.
I found it and we love it.
Okay,
So
so we're gonna put it into, we're gonna do this together.
Do it, girl.
All right, okay. Guys, what do you think?
It looks great.
Pretty fantastic, doesn't it?
Mm.
And that,
wait, it's not done.
Hold on.
wait, hold on, just 1 second.
Gotta have our bada bing cherries.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Put the straws in. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's
All
go.
right, so crab cakes, and we've got this fantastic mule, a holiday mule, right?
Yes.
Very good stuff, you guys.
All right, let's get the sleigh out of the way.
Move this,
And bring it
move this
in.
plate out of the way.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. All right, let's get the guys.
All right, so now we have the crab cakes out of the oven, Mike.
They're done?
They're done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that amazing chive aioli and we're just gonna put a little drizzle and you're gonna garnish it with some more fresh chives.
Come on, chives.
So this is your go-to holiday appetizer. You wanna impress your friends, impress your family. This is your go-to
I'm
appetizer.
telling you, for the
You
the
are
7
impressive.
fishes, try this for your 7.
That's it. This is
All
part
right.
of the 7 fishes.
All right.
Sounds
Okay.
good. All right, grab
Take a little piece.
Sure. Don't mind if I do.
And then we'll have a sip, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Look at all that luxurious crab in there.
This is the best cocktail party I've ever been to.
Well done.
Nice.
Sweetness of the crab,
All right, Michael, let's do
balanced
it.
by the lemon. I
have this.
think we all gotta get in here, right?
And
Go. That's a holiday meal.
Very nice.
thank you guys.
Thank you.
This is Canzonetta. What a treat, huh?
Yep.